Hey there mini wargamers, welcome to Seasick Pirate Studios. My name is Kurtis and in this episode we're going to be unboxing Lyrior Uthralle, Warden of Uthralle and the Vanari Lord Regent. Representatives of Tyrion's will among the Vanari war host, Vanari Lord Regent speak with the authority unmatched among their militant kin. Mounted on a fast light courser steed, Vanari Lord Regents offer bonuses to fellow Vanari units as well as hold their own in the thick of battle. This kit can either be made as a Vanari Lord Regent or as Lyrior Uthralle, Warden of Uthralle. If you're like me and you field a lot of Vanari units, the Vanari Lord Regent is a fantastic centerpiece and a fantastic support model for your army. So let's crack this box and check out the kit. This kit comes on 2 separate sprues comprising of 42 separate pieces and is cast in plastic. The mini sits on an oval 90mm by 52.5mm base. And this kit will set you back £34.50 from Games Workshop and can either be built as a Lord Regent or Lyrior Uthralle. Like all kits, it comes with an instruction manual with all the model's rules in the back. But for the meantime, we'll pop this to the side and we're going to check out the sprues. So this mini has got a lot of detail on it. Looking at the scenic base there, it's like some Lumineth statue that's been toppled. We've got the tail of the whatever beast it is. I'm not sure if it's a cow or a horse or a lion or a fox. Please leave your comments and let me know what you think it is. But all the detail on the flag, the paws as well. Even the rider that sits on top. See, the plume is really well defined. On all the armour plates and the shield, sword as well. Got to say, this range of Lumineth models are really well sculpted. Even the cloak and the shield. Nice folds in there, lots of shade while you're painting. No matter which model you build, I think you're going to have fun painting it. All the chainmail. Really nice miniature. So let's get this model built and see what it looks like done. So instead of building the character model, I'm going to be focusing more on the Lord Regent, as I play as Uthralle army and I want this guy to be my general. So let's get him built. My Vanari Lord Regent is built and he looks awesome. This mini has so much detail and the pose is absolutely stunning. I'm still not sure what kind of creature the mount is, but visually I really think it fits for the Lumineth Realm Lords. Assembling this model was surprisingly straightforward, and the arms on the rider all lock into place between the chest plate and his back to give them extra support. The legs on the mount are strong and come in 3 separate pieces, so unless you're really heavy-handed, I can't see the legs snapping. This kit has to be one of my favourites across the entire Lumineth range. The fact it's a multi-part kit that builds 2 models, there's plenty of parts that you can mix and match so you can make your own Regent stand out really nicely. So I'm going to score this kit a solid 9 out of 10. As a general, this mini stands out, it's packed with detail, and painting it will be a joy whether you're a beginner or a pro. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more unboxings and painting tutorials, please visit my channel. Like, subscribe and leave a comment on how you would rate this model. But take care and we'll see you next time.